How to add university or college on LinkedIn profile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add university or college on your LinkedIn profile. So let's get started. First of all, simply head over to LinkedIn and sign into your account. And then you're going to click on your profile over here. So once you click on your profile, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on view profile and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to head over to the education section. So here's education. You're going to click on add education. And after that, you'll be able to see a form. So first thing that you need to do is type in your school name. For example, I'm going to type in university, such as Stanford University. And then you're going to type in the degree, your degree's name, such as bachelor's, master's, whatever college degree you did, etc. And then you're going to type in the field of study, whether you were a business student, a computer science student, a medical student. Simply type that down over here. And then you're going to type in the start date. So that is the date when you start or joined the college. Simply select the month and year and select the end date, month and year. And if you are not yet graduated, you can simply select are expected. So if you're not graduated, you can also type that down over here. So over here, you're going to type in the grade, the CGPA you are having right now, and then some activities and societies, such as any extracurricular activities or any sports activities you are involved in. And then you're going to type in description, some skills, and your media information, and then click on save. So that is basically how you can add your university or college information on your LinkedIn. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.